Hello everyone, welcome to BoldDesk. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up the Pipedrive app in BoldDesk. You'll learn how to install and configure the Pipedrive app, manage integration settings, and efficiently handle Pipedrive data directly within the BoldDesk platform. Pipedrive is a customer relationship management tool that helps businesses simplify their sales processes, customer interactions, and deal management, thus improving efficiency and streamlining support team operations. Integrating the Pipedrive app with BoldDesk helps support teams manage customer details, sales opportunities, and organization information in BoldDesk. This integration offers agents the ability to view information on Pipedrive's people, deals, and organizations in BoldDesk. Add new people, deals, and organizations to Pipedrive directly through BoldDesk. Let me guide you through setting up the Pipedrive app with BoldDesk. The first step is to install the Pipedrive app into BoldDesk, which can be done from either the Pipedrive or BoldDesk Marketplace. In this case, I'll install the app through the Pipedrive Marketplace. To start with, log into your Pipedrive account and go to the Marketplace, where you can connect with other tools. Then search for BoldDesk and click Authorize. A window will open, prompting you to integrate your BoldDesk account. Enter your BoldDesk domain URL. If you don't have an account, you can register and enter the domain URL. The sign-up link is provided in the video's description. Finally, click Submit to complete the process. Once the BoldDesk domain is verified, you will be redirected to the permissions page. Here you can review the company and user details where the app will be added, as well as the requested permissions. Then, click the Allow and Install button to proceed. This will prompt you to log into your BoldDesk account. Choose your preferred login method, and you'll be redirected to the Pipedrive configuration page within the BoldDesk app. In the Field Visibility section, select the Pipedrive fields for person, organization, and deal that you want to display in BoldDesk. You can choose up to 10 fields for each category. Next, move to the Permissions section, where you can set the app visibility to all roles or specific roles, and select the target modules where the Pipedrive app will be accessible. When the configurations are done, click Save to complete the setup. Now, this setup is ready for use. Alternatively, you can set up this integration through BoldDesk's Marketplace. You log into the BoldDesk as an admin, navigate to the Admin Center, and open the Marketplace. Here, search for and select the Pipedrive app and click Install. Enter your Pipedrive account credentials and click Login to continue. Proceed with the field visibility and permission settings and save the settings. For detailed information about this, click the documentation link provided in this video's description. Next, let me show you how to view and manage Pipedrive information in BoldDesk. This information can be viewed in the Chats, Tickets, Contacts, and Contact Group module, depending on the target module selected during configuration. First, to view the information from the Tickets module, I open a ticket where I want to view the details. Then, I open the apps list on the bar on the right and select and open the Pipedrive app. Here you can view person, organization, or deal information. In the same way, you can access Pipedrive information from the chats. To see the information from the Contacts module, I open the contact for whom I want to view details. I expand the Apps panel on the right side of the Contact Details page and open the Pipedrive app to view the person, organization, and deal information. Similarly, this information can be viewed and managed from the Contact Group Details page. To see a comprehensive list of organizations or deals in Pipedrive, click the View All option, which opens the list on the Pipedrive website. You can create a Pipedrive person, organization, and deal directly in BoldDesk. First, let me show you how to create a Pipedrive person. If the person is not in Pipedrive, I open the app and navigate to the Person tab. Next, I click the Create Person option and enter the person's information on the open window. Then, click the Create button to save it. Organizations can only be created from the Contact Group module. Therefore, open the Pipedrive app from the Contact Group module and navigate to the Organization tab. Next, click the Create Organization option, enter its details, and click Create to save it. To create a deal, open the Deal tab, click Create Deal, and enter the deal information. Then, click Create to save it. In this video, I demonstrated how to install and configure the Pipedrive app in BoldDesk. I also demonstrated how to view Pipedrive information and create people, organizations, and deals through BoldDesk. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.